Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. This is the all new Huawei Watch GT2 that I just unboxed in my channel. In case you guys didn't check out that video, I'll have a link for that down below in the description. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the initial setup process of the Huawei Watch GT2 and show you guys how you can set it up on your Android phone or your iPhone. So if you guys are excited for this video and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. And let's get started with today's video. Alright, so this is the all new Huawei Watch GT2 that I just unboxed. So let's go ahead and set it up for the very first time. I haven't even powered it on yet. So let's go ahead and power it on. So I'm hitting the button to turn it on. And there we see the Huawei logo light up on the Watch GT, and I felt a little vibration on this as well. So the model number of this is LTN B19. So the watch has now powered on successfully. So let me show you the process to set it up. So first off, I have to select the language, so I will select it as English, and then I have to download the Huawei Health app on the phone to complete the setup. Alright, so now what I'll do is I'll take my Huawei phone and then I will set it up onto this. So here I have the Huawei Health application here. So after opening it up, I have to press the three-dot menu over here, and then there's a button to add. So from here to add the Watch GT, I have to go to smartwatch, and then I have to select which one it is, whether it's the Watch GT2 series or the Watch GT. So here I have the latest Watch GT2, so I'm selecting that, and then all I have to do is go ahead and hit on the pair button. So I have to allow all of this, and then the device should show up here. So it's showing the Watch GT2 over here. So I'm sending the pairing request right now, and I have to accept it on the watch. And just like that, the watch has now successfully paired to my Huawei device. So here I have the watch set up onto my Huawei device, and from here I can instantly select whatever watch face that I want. Now let's say if I want to put this watch face, I can quickly go ahead and install this. So for that, it will quickly get downloaded onto the device itself. So once the downloading has been completed, we can set it as the watch face onto our new Huawei Watch GT2. So now it's downloading really fast, so we wait for it to complete. Now the downloading is done, it's installing, and just like that, the new watch face has been set on the Watch GT2. So other than that, using the Huawei Health application, I can set up a lot of things for the Watch GT2. So first off, let me quickly go ahead and show you what settings are available on the Huawei Health app for the Watch GT2. So first off, the main thing will be the watch faces. So you have the option to change all of the watch faces from here like I showed before, and then there's something called True Sleep, which is enabled by default. So you can definitely enable that, because the Watch GT2 is known for the good battery life. The Watch GT1 had 2 weeks battery life, so I want to put the Watch GT2 to the test and see how well it does when it comes to the battery life. So let's see. I really hope that I'm really confident that it won't do as bad as the Apple Watch, because the Apple Watch drains definitely within 1 full day for me personally. So next option is the activity reminder, which you can go ahead and enable. So that's for you to receive a reminder when you have been sitting for over an hour. So that's good for your health. And also there's continuous heart rate monitoring built into the Watch GT itself. So you can either select that in smart mode or the real-time mode. So the smart mode automatically adjusts the frequency of the measurements depending on your current state of activity, and in real-time mode it monitors your heart rate in real time. So the option for that is up to you, and then you can select what a high heart rate is for you and what a low heart rate is for you as well if you want. Next up, there's automatic stress level testing as well, so you can enable that. This is a new feature on the Watch GT2, so you can go ahead and set this one up. It's I heard it's pretty cool, so definitely if you get the Watch GT2, make sure you set it up. And then we have the alarm section, so you can set up alarms on your watch. Then there's a music section for you to control and manage your music. And then there's notification support, so you can enable or disable notifications for certain apps from here. So whatever app you don't want, so let's say if you don't want Twitter notifications, you can have it disabled, but if you want notifications from Twitter, you can go ahead and enable it just like that. Other than that, there's also favorite contacts, so you can add whoever your favorite contacts are directly to the watch, so you can make calls. That's right, the Watch GT2 this time around has a mic and a speaker built right over here, so you can make calls directly from the Watch GT2 itself. Next up, we have the weather report. So this is basically to get the weather. You can set it in Celsius or Fahrenheit. And then there's a Bluetooth disconnection reminder. So if you go out of range, the watch will remind you. And there's wrist raise to wake the screen. So if you don't have the always on mode set up on this, you can use this to quickly check the time on the Watch GT2. There's also a firmware upgrade section as well as a factory restore section, so you can use that for that. Here right now under firmware updates, there is an update because I just unboxed my Watch GT2. So let me go ahead and quickly hit on that update button and get my Watch GT2 updated to the latest firmware. So the download file has been downloaded onto my device. So now it's transferring onto the Watch GT2 and it is now performing the update right now. So this is how it happens. So while it's transferring the file onto the watch will go ahead and upgrade itself. You can also install the Huawei Health application onto your iPhone if you use an iPhone. So the Huawei Health application is also available over there. So you can go ahead and agree to all of this and set up your profile. And once that's done, you can enable the Huawei Health Kit support, and from here you can go to devices and then you can hit on that plus button over here and then go to smartwatches and then go ahead and select the latest Huawei Watch GT2. So it's actually downloading the latest data onto the iPhone app. So let's give it a bit for the data to get downloaded onto the app. Meanwhile, on the watch, this is what we see because the upgrade process is going on. So you can see a small status indicator over here at the bottom, and the update is performing. And while that's happening on the iPhone, it has got updated with the latest. So here we have the Watch GT2. So from here I can go ahead and pair the Huawei Watch GT2 onto my iPhone if I want. Right now if I want to pair, since it's paired to the Android version, what I have to do is I have to go ahead and unpair it and then go ahead and pair it to my iPhone. In order to unpair the product from your phone, you can go ahead and hit on this unpair button over here, or you can perform a factory reset. Right now it's upgrading, so we'll have to wait for this to complete to go through the other features on the watch. So for the complete setup of the watch, all you need is a smartphone, whether it's Android or iOS, it doesn't matter. Once you have it set up and updated to the latest version, you're good to go with your new Huawei Watch GT2. Once the upgrade process has completed, the watch will boot up just like this. So we have the app layout as well as the other screens on the Watch GT2. So I will make a dedicated video, another video focusing on all of these features on the watch, which will come later on. So definitely stay tuned if you want to see that. But guys, that's how you set up the all new Huawei Watch GT2, whether you use an iPhone or an Android phone. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that like button, hit on that subscribe button over here, and definitely go ahead and share this video with all of your friends all over social media, and check out my unboxing of the all new Huawei Watch GT that you see over here. And if whatever thoughts you have, go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know what other videos you want to see featuring the new Watch GT2. I really like the form factor and the look of this watch. So let me know which one I should wear, the Apple Watch, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 or the Huawei Watch GT2. Drop a comment down below and let me know. And that's about it. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. Stay tuned to androdollar.com for the latest from the tech world. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.